Have you been trying to add an application to your taskbar but you've had difficulties? I'm going to talk you through that. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to watch the next one. I use Canva a lot, so I want to pin Canva to the taskbar. So if I do a right click on Canva, and you can't see it on there. So if I go to show more options, then I've got pin to taskbar. You can see Canva down there on the taskbar. If you learnt something today, go on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.